Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to deduct charitable donations on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your charitable donations receipts and any other required documentations. And once you have those, you're going to go on and log into your Turbotax account. So go to the website, go to our Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you have logged into your account, you're going to select the tax year that you want to deduct charitable donations for. Next, you're going to select the deductions. So choose the deductions and then select charitable donations as your deduction type. Next, you're going to enter your charitable donations, including cash donations and non-cash donations. Just fill that up. Once that's done, you're going to claim the charitable donations deduction based on your donations. Once that's done, review and submit it, and IRS is basically going to take care of the rest from there. So yeah, that's pretty much on how to deduct charitable donations on your Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.